Hey, hi guys. I was scanning today, not because I do have a free cash to deploy, but because as a daily part of the routine, right? I was doing some scanning, and this script came in the scanner. Okay, uh, as slow digital. Okay, I think this is a very good script actually at this point from a technical perspective. But I'm not going to put any money in this primarily because I'm fully deployed currently with other positions. No, but this chart, right, is something which I thought is very good to discuss. Okay, so the few points which I wanted to highlight on this chart is these. So you see here these blue dots here, right? Uh, so the blue dots here, right? These. uh, this is all institutional buying. Okay, all this is institutional buying, primarily because these are coming on back-to-back days. Okay, and mm, uh, basically the retailers cannot do this kind of a back-to-back buying. Okay, so this is a buying done by some serious player, either HNI or some institution. And similar like people with a big money, right? So usually when the rally starts, right, we don't buy these. So usually the criteria is that of this mm, uh, of this fall, right, we need at least uh, the price need to be above this 618% of this fall. Okay, then only we start looking at it. So obviously this script will not come into the scanner in this phase. Okay, but it will come in the scanner during this phase, or like it has come recently. Okay, so it came today in the scanner. uh, so there are very good things on this chart. Okay, so the first is that I spotted, right, the institutional buying. So you can see this all institutional buying right here, uh, these dot. So after that the market has not gone down. Okay, and then followed by a rally. Then if you see here, right, again these three dots here, these three dots here, right? So this is all institutional buying. These are the highest bar in the range. Okay, you are not able to see this on this primarily because of this particular bar, but if we just hide this, right, you will realize that these are like high volume days. So this day is extremely high day. Okay, so if you just maybe remove that from the picture, right, you will see that these are high volume, and these are like high volume candles which are at the lower end of the band, and further there is no price action. You see, if you see a high volume red candle, right, what should happen is market should fall, right? There's nothing happened, right? Market has not gone down, and this is uh, consistent. So the low of this high volume bar here, right, that is protected. So you will see that all other lows are above this. Okay, so the first break that came, right, is here. So if I have to just maybe expand and show a bit clearly, right? So the first break actually came on this candle. Okay, so this is where we become interested into the um, script. So basically this means is the high of these high volume candle is, right, this is clearly broken, and we have a close above the high volume candles. Okay, subsequently there is a fall. So this is nothing but accumulation. Okay, and you can see again these two high volume bars, right? Those are again significant accumulation days. So whenever this breakout happens, right, we don't immediately jump on and buy. Okay, so this is a rule number one, so that should never be broken. So when we see this breakout, right, so what we say is that, okay, now that you have broken out, please form a base above the high of the high volume candle. Okay, so we have these high volume candles here. So what we asked market is to form a base above the high of high volume candle, recent high volume candles. Okay, so if you see here, right, this market has actually formed a high above or near the high of the high volume candle. You can see here. Okay, and there are subsequent high volume candle, and if you really look at, right, uh, carefully, they have again formed a small base here, which is at the high of this high volume candle, on the high of this volume candle. So this is where the this is where we buy. These are the days, any of these days, right, is where we buy basically. And you can see the stock literally has jumped, right, almost 80% in 32 days. So if you see this rally also, right, after the institutional buying, right, you will see typical rise 100% in 40-50 days. And this is all institutional buying, 1 2 3 4 5. The retailers cannot do this. Okay, it's not possible for it. Retailers may be present in this day, okay, when there is a high volatility. So it might be possible that some of the retail customers may be participated, but they cannot participate on back to back days. There is no money with the retailers to really participate in back to back days. Okay, and again, this is like a surprise how they have managed to buy such a high volume without moving the price too high. Okay, so after this rally, right, the market is now consolidating. So expectation is that it will consolidate and it will touch this low here, and it will come here, and then you will see first high volume bar here, like this. Okay, and the break of that high volume bar is what you should buy. So expect a price action like this here. Okay, and then there is a high volume bar, and then bit of consolidation and break of that high volume bar. Okay, so after it has broken, right, you should buy, because that will give you a sustainable. So it might happen that after you buy, right, there is a couple of days of down days, and then it goes up. So this is a typical price action that happens after the horizontal basis. So very good script actually, and should be in the your your list of observation. The other thing which I wanted to highlight is, this particular bar. Okay, whenever markets come out of the significant base, right, significant, this is a significant base, this is a significant base. So if you really measure, right, this is like 125 days. The base formation process is 125 days. So after such a base, right, when they break out, right, invariably they come and test this, and the test can literally, so in this case they have not tested the low, but in most of the time they'll try to test this low. Okay, so this is your day. If you can really digest the volatility, right, if you buy here somewhere on the break, right, if you buy on these days, right, somewhere on these days, you should be able to actually stay quiet during the day to really reap the benefit of your work. And if you don't, if you lose your heart on this day, right, you are like all your efforts are gone waste. So I can show you this in n number of charts. So if you see my trailing stop, right, this is my trailing stop. On a intraday basis the trailing is hit, which is on intraday basis usually this is a trailing stop loss, but on a closing basis, this, The closing basis, the stop is not hit. So it's important that you keep calm on this day, and let market function till 3:30, and then uh, look for a next day. And I can show you in a number of examples. Okay, so let's randomly pick uh, any examples, okay, which has complete gone through